Nissan Pathfinder. This handle is very hard moving. Something is inside the rusty or something, and moving like this, it's almost falling down. So to try to fix, let's try. You must take out here one cover. Here you must take out this one. You find 1, 2, 3 screws. Take out this cover. Take out this plastic cover. Unscrew this screw and try to take it out. Now I have removed this window rail with gummy I put up, and this screw I cannot open, it's seized, sits very hard and I cannot move. So I removed lock with 3 bolts, spray this one on this. You see this axle is seized, this axle, so must spray. I moved this aluminum, and same time I spray anti-rust, and after comes some rusts out, and now it works perfectly. After this I make it like this, some oil, and now it works. I thought this cable is rusty and not moving, but this cable is okay. Problem is, like I say, this axle. So now works very nice. Now put everything back and finished. The handle is okay. Nissan Pathfinder R51 2007 model.